What if I told you a small amount of money could turn into a fortune without you working more hours? This one simple idea creates millionaires quietly. It's called compound interest. Today I'll explain compound interest step by step in simple English. This beginner guide will show you how compound interest works, why it matters, and how you can use it to grow your money. If you want real finance tips that actually work, stay till the end. Let's talk what is compound interest. Compound interest means earning interest on your interest. Simple interest pays you only on your original money. Compound interest pays you on your original money plus the interest you already earned. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow. The bigger it gets, the faster it grows. That's compound interest. Let's make it easy. You invest 1,000. You earn 10% in 1 year. Now you have 100. Next year you earn 10% again. But this time, interest is calculated on 100. Now you have 10. Each year your money grows faster, not because you add more money, but because compound interest is working for you. Why compound interest is powerful? Time is the secret ingredient. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. This is why investing early beats investing more. Compound interest helps you grow wealth, beat inflation, build passive income, reach financial freedom. This is why it's called the eighth wonder of the world. Where compound interest works. Compound interest appears in many places. Investments, mutual funds, stocks, retirement accounts, long-term savings. Anywhere your earnings are reinvested, compounding begins. This is a key how-to finance tip for beginners. These are the common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, starting too late. Time matters more than amount. Mistake 2, withdrawing early. Pulling money out breaks the compounding chain. Mistake 3, chasing quick profits. Compounding rewards patience, not gambling. Avoid these mistakes and you stay ahead. This is the story about it. 2 people invest the same amount. 1 starts early, 1 waits. Years later, the early starter wins, even if they invested less money. Compound interest doesn't reward intelligence, it rewards consistency. So here's the real question. Are you letting time work against you, or for you? The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Comment below, when did you start investing, or when will you start? Your future self is watching.